Pulling the plug, unplugging the mystery of a common English phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, to pull the plug. This expression is widely used in various contexts, and understanding it can really enhance your English skills. So, let's unravel its meaning and usage together. The phrase, to pull the plug, originally comes from the early days of plumbing. Imagine a bathtub full of water with a plug stopping the water from draining out. When you pull the plug, the water drains away, effectively ending the bath. This literal action has evolved into a metaphorical phrase in English. In modern usage, to pull the plug means to stop or terminate something. It's often used in situations where an ongoing project, plan, or activity is abruptly ended. For example, the company decided to pull the plug on the project due to lack of funding. After several warnings, they pulled the plug on the noisy party next door. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts. 1. Business, referring to the termination of projects, plans, or investments. 2. Technology, shutting down electronic devices or software. 3. Personal life, ending personal endeavors or relationships. While it's a useful phrase, be cautious about the context. Pulling the plug implies a sudden or final action, which might not be suitable for sensitive topics, especially those relating to life support in medical situations. And that's a wrap on to pull the plug. I hope this video has shed light on this intriguing phrase and added a new expression to your English vocabulary. Keep exploring the richness of the English language, and see you in the next video.